biggest mistakes immigrants make in 2026 and how to avoid them. If you're an immigrant living in America right now or planning to come in 2026, stop whatever you're doing and watch this video till the end. These are 10 biggest mistakes most immigrants make in 2026. Avoiding these can save you years of struggle, thousands of dollars, and a lot of heartbreak. Coming to America is still a huge dream for millions of people, but in 2026, immigration rules are stricter. Officers are checking everything more carefully, and one small mistake can destroy years of hard work. I've worked as an immigration attorney for many years and helped hundreds of immigrants. Almost every single person I meet makes the same painful mistakes. Today, I'm going to share the 10 biggest mistakes immigrants are making in 2026 and exactly how to avoid them. Number 1, taking advice from Facebook groups and random gurus instead of licensed lawyers. This is extremely dangerous in 2026. One wrong advice can get your application denied or even get you banned from reapplying. Always work with a licensed immigration attorney. Number 2, trying to handle your own immigration case to save money. Many people think they can fill forms themselves, but one small error or missing document can cause long delays or complete denial. Hiring a good lawyer is not an expense. It's the best protection for your future. Number 3, applying for the wrong visa type. A lot of immigrants waste years applying for the wrong visa. Student visa, work visa, marriage visa, and tourist visa. All have completely different rules and requirements. Choose the right path from day one. Number 4, submitting weak evidence for marriage-based green card. USCIS is cracking down hard. If they don't believe your marriage is real, they will deny your case. You need strong proof. Joint accounts, bills, photos, leases, and affidavits from friends and family. Number 5, missing important deadlines. In 2026, deadlines are strictly enforced. Missing even one filing date can kill your entire case. Always set proper reminders and work with someone who tracks every single date. Number 6, talking to ICE or police without a lawyer present. Never say, "I'll explain everything," even if you are innocent. Your words can be used against you. Always say, "I want to speak to my lawyer," and remain silent. Number 7, ignoring your credit score and taxes. Many immigrants focus only on visa matters and forget about credit and taxes. Bad credit or wrong tax filing creates huge problems later when applying for green card or citizenship. Number 8, sending too much money back home too early. A lot of immigrants send most of their salary back home and stay broke in America. Build your own savings and stability here first so you can support your family better in the long run. Number 9, giving up after the first denial or rejection. A denial is not the end of the road. Many cases can be fixed with a proper appeal or a strong or new application. The biggest mistake is losing hope instead of getting professional help. Number 10, having the wrong mindset. Thinking like a survivor instead of a builder. Many immigrants stay in survival mode for years. In America, you need to think big, network, and build something for yourself. Change your mindset and your results will change. These 10 mistakes are destroying the dreams of thousands of immigrants in 2026. But the good news is, now you know them. If you avoid these mistakes and prepare properly, you still have an amazing opportunity to build a great life in America. The journey is challenging, but it is still worth it. Don't just dream about success. Prepare for it properly. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and share it with at least one friend or family member who needs to see this. Comment below and tell me which of these 10 mistakes surprised you the most. And if you need any help with your visa, green card, or immigration matters, just DM or book a consultation. I personally review every request. I'm Jimmy Lai. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.